she comes. Hello, sweetheart. Hello, honey. Are you done hunting up in the trees? What are you doing? What you doing, sweetie? You want mommy to get you some water? You thirsty girl? Where'd you go? Cooney. Cooney, coon, coon. Where are you, sweetheart? Let me guess. There you are. Hello, honey. How is the girl? How is the girl? Here she comes. Hello, sweetheart. Hello, honey. How are you? Are you a hungry girl? Huh? How was hunting today? How was your hunting today, sweetness? Huh? Hello, sweetheart. Hello, honey. How is my girl? Huh? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Mommy go get you some snackies. I'll get you some snacky doos. Yes. It's my Cooney girl. I love you, sweetheart. Laters.